discuss the topic of preschoolers in physical development. But before we start, papanoorin po muna natin yung video about sa preschoolers physical development.
This video will highlight indoor and outdoor experiences to help you identify milestones. This video will highlight indoor and outdoor experiences to help you identify milestones. Remember that children develop at their own pace and may not meet these milestones at the same time as their same age peers. As you watch, remember, let's watch 3-year-olds explore their environments. As these young preschoolers, this video will highlight indoor and outdoor experiences to help you identify milestones in physical development during the preschool years. As you watch, remember that children develop at their own pace and may not meet these milestones at the same time as their same age peers. First, let's watch 3-year-olds explore their environments. As these young preschoolers' bodies grow, their center of gravity moves towards their trunk, and as a result, their balance greatly improves. At this age, you may expect children to walk up and down stairs, using one foot on each step. Running and jumping are enjoyable activities, and children may engage in games such as catch with other children. However, their movements are still somewhat rigid. Young preschoolers typically engage in scribbling in writing. These are ways to typically engage in scribbling in writing and visual representation begin to discover at writing and visual representation motor skills become more refined. 4 years old, children's motor skills balance improve on. Skills like hopping or standing on their balance begin to emerge. Skills like hopping or standing on movements become more coordinated to emerge, and they are able to rotate their bodies movements easily.
For primary schoolers, typically age 6 to 12, development includes a range of milestones. Some examples are gross motor skills. Sa gross motor skills po is ang parang nakapaloob na sa 6 to 12 years old na parang kayang running, jumping, skipping, parang ganun po. Tapos more sports sila. Next. Ayun yung example. Fine motor skills naman po is ang pag-ugnat ng fine motor skills ay mahalaga para sa mga bata upang matulungan silang maging mas mahusay sa paggamit ng mga bagay at sa paggawa ng mga gawain. Mga halimbawa po ng fine motor skills is pagsulat ng maayos gamit ang lapis at paggamit ng gunting ng may presisyon. Pagboto ng kamiseta, pagtali ng sinturon ng sapatos, o paggamit ng kagamitan sa pagkain ng mas mahusay. Yung pinagkaiba po ng fine motor at gross motor skills is, yung gross motor skills po is more on sports like climbing, jumping, soccer, swimming, mga gano'n. And yung fine motor skills naman po is more on pagsusulat, parang sa mga pagguhit, mga gano'n po. The physical milestone help primary schoolers gain independence and confidence in their ability to interact with the world around them. They also lay the foundations for more complex movements and tasks as they grow older. Ang mga milestone sa physical na pag-unlad ay mahalaga para sa mga estudyante sa elementary upang matulungan silang maging mas kalayaan at kumpiyansa sa kanilang kakayahan. Sa pag-unawa ng mga benepisyo ng physical na pag-unlad, ang mga magulang at guro ay makakatulong sa mga bata pagbutihin ng kanilang mga kasanayan at mas maging matatag, masigasig sa kanilang pag-aaral at schoolers. Ang pwede niyo po bang basahin? Raymond. Number 1.
Children experience steady growth, height, and weight. They may have growth generally slower than in early childhood.
Yung growth size po is, ito po yung paglaki ng katawan ng bata. Ang bata po ay nagkakaroon ng patuloy na paglaki sa taas at ibaba. Ang kanilang paglaki po ay is mas lamang po ngayong age po na 6 to 12, kung ikukumpara po sa mga 1 to 5 years old. Next one po is Miss Ludil, can you read po?
Muscle development. Muscles become stronger and more coordinated with support activities like running, jogging, lifting, and sports.
Yung muscle development naman po is yung pag-unlad po ng kalamnan nila. Ang mga kalamnan ng mga bata ay nagiging mas malakas at mas koordinado na sumusuporta sa mga gawain tulad ng pakakbo, paglundag, pag-abuyan at mga sport. Next po. Improve coordination. Physical coordination improves allowing children to perform tasks like throwing, catching, balancing, and dancing more effectively. Ang koordinasyon ng mga bata ay nagiging mas mahusay na nagpapahintulot sa kanila na magawa ang mga gawain tulad ng paghagis, paghuli, pagbalanse, at pagsasayaw ng mas epektibo. Number 4 po is strength and stamina. Children develop greater physical strength and stamina from engage in longer periods of physical activities such as playing, sports, or hiking. Ito naman po yung lakas at tigas ng mga bata. Ang mga bata ay nagkakaroon ng mas malaking lakas at tigas na nagpapahintulot sa kanila na makikahagi sa mas mahabang panahon ng physical na activity tulad ng paglalaro ng sport o pag-akyat ng bundok. Number 5 po is fine motor skills development. As primary schoolers, hands and finger become more dexterous. They can perform tasks like writing, drawing, using tools, and manipulating small objects with more precision. Habang ang mga kamay at daliri ng mga bata ay nagiging mas malikhain, sila po ay nagpapagawa ng mga gawain tulad ng pagsulat, pagbuhi, paggamit ng kagamitan, at paghahawak ng maliliit na bagay ng may presisyon. Number 6 po is cross-motor skills. Activities such as jumping, running, and climbing become more fluid and controlled. Dito naman po is ang magawain tulad ng paglundag, pagtakbo, at pag-akyat ay nagiging mas mahusay at kontrolado habang ang mga bata ay nagsisimulang matuto a balanced diet rich in protein, calcium, and essential vitamins is vital for healthy growth and development. Mahalaga ang nutrisyon para sa pagpakalaki at pagpaunlad. To balance diet provides nutrients child's body needs to build and repair tissues, produce hormones, and support overall health. Miss Andrea, can you please read?
Three average activities they both indoor and outdoor to promote cross-motor skills. High motor activities provide opportunity for high motor practice, such as drawing, coloring, building with blocks, and playing with a plate.
Yung indoors and outdoors. Yung indoors naman po is ito yung example dito is yung paglalaro sa parking park or playground, yung pag-akyat sa puno, tapos yung outdoor ay yung indoors ay para yung sa video games, tapos yung outdoors, yung example is yung paglalaro sa labas, yung playground, tapos yung pag-akyat sa puno. Yung rainwater activities po is, hindi nyo na po binigyan ng explanation kasi yun po yung in-explain ko kanina. Sports and games. Introduce children to sports and games appropriate for their age and skill. Yung yung sport and games nila is physical development, particularly during childhood and adolescence, involves complex processes, and there are various challenges and difficulties that individuals can face during these stages. Genetic and health condition. Genetic disorders